In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WordPress sites mobile-friendly. As more and more people rely on their smartphones for browsing the internet, it's crucial that your WordPress site is fully optimized for mobile devices. This not only improves user experience but can also enhance your site's search engine ranking. Let's dive into how you can achieve this seamlessly. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that your WordPress theme is responsive. A responsive theme automatically adjusts the layout of your site to look great on any screen size. Many themes these days come with built-in responsiveness, but if yours isn't quite there yet, consider switching to one that is. A reliable theme not only enhances visual appeal but also improves site functionality across all devices. Next, dig into the customization feature by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. There, click on Appearance and then Customize. This area allows you to make adjustments to how elements appear on mobile. Focus on font size and button placement, ensuring they are appropriate for mobile viewing can significantly enhance the user experience. Remember, on smaller screens, clarity is key. You want every element to be easily readable and clickable without excessive zooming or scrolling. Following that, let's address images. Images can often be a stumbling block for mobile optimization if they're not correctly sized. Large images can slow down loading times, which is not ideal for mobile users who may be relying on slower connections. To tackle this, install a plugin like Smush or Short Pixel. These tools automatically compress and optimize images, ensuring they load quickly without sacrificing quality. Ultimately, faster loading images mean a smoother, more enjoyable browsing experience for your visitors. Now, let's talk about plugins. As fabulous as plugins are for adding functionality to your site, they can sometimes slow it down, especially on mobile. Go through your installed plugins and evaluate their necessity. Deactivate or remove those that are redundant. Always ensure that any remaining plugins are up to date, as updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes that improve mobile functionality. Testing is an essential part of this process. Use a tool like Google's Mobile-Friendly Test to see how your site performs on mobile. This tool will provide insights and pinpoint any specific areas that need attention. These audits are invaluable, as they offer direct feedback on how to better tailor your site for mobile visitors. Finally, caching is an excellent way to boost your mobile website speed. Use a plugin like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. These plugins store copies of your pages, serving them up quicker to repeat visitors and significantly improving load times. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to making your WordPress site mobile-friendly. By integrating these steps into your workflow, you'll not only provide a smoother experience for your users but also meet the evolving standards that search engines use to rank websites. Happy optimizing!